Hey everyone, I'm here at this customer's house because their car won't start. So I thought I'd take you through the process that I use in order to diagnose the reason why. First thing we need to do is work out why it won't start. So I'm going to jump in the car now and try to start the battery. Well, start the car. Okay, this sort of thing happens for normally three reasons. One, the battery is flat or dead. Two, there's a loose connection. The battery is not connected to everything as it should be, or the starter motor itself has gone. So let's go through the process that I use now to diagnose which one of those three things it is, because that's probably what it is. So as you probably noticed here, I've got the multimeter out, and what I'm going to do is knock that on and put the leads across the two battery terminals so we can see what the voltage is of the battery at our starting point. Okay, that battery is flat. Don't know if you can see that there, if there's too much glare on the screen. There we are, can you see that? It's 9.39 volts. So yeah, when I try starting it now, it is going to draw out 2 or 3 volts, so it's just not going to be enough power there. So I'm going to jump start it because we need it to be charged in order to diagnose, well, investigate the other systems. So I'm going to jump start it and leave the alternator to charge it, and in that way we can test the wiring at the same time. I'm currently giving a demonstration on this jump pack because I'm going to double this footage up as a review for the jump pack. So just ignore this and move on to the next stage. I will leave a link in the description for this jump pack for you, just in case you want it. As you can see, so there's only 1.6 petrol, I believe it is. So it's not a huge engine, but it started it up first time, no issues. So let's get this jump pack off so we can check now. If the alternator is charging the battery, then we know that the live side of the battery is okay. We can double check the starter motor later, but let's just go with that for a minute. Okay, I don't know if you can see this because of the glare, but it is charging the battery. So we know that the live wire is connected properly between the alternator and the battery. So if that's the case, the chances are that the live wire between the starter motor and the battery is fine too. You can double check that by doing a draw test. That would have to be in a separate video for a minute because I'm not going to do one. Okay, so now that's charged for a little bit and we know the battery is charged. Let's just test this up. Obviously, because I had to leave it run for a little bit, so we've got the charge the battery up. Now it's charged. You can see that it's mellowed out, it's charging a little bit. It was 1.8 and 14.8, but now it's going down to 14.6 because it's charged, is at the voltage it should be. Just knock the battery off and then we'll retest this battery. Knock the car off and we'll retest this battery here quickly. So you need to pay attention to these numbers now because this bit's quite important. So you can see it's around 12.5, 12.6, which is a good battery. That's what it should be at. Whilst it's connected, I'm also going to try starting it now. But if you watch, you'll be able to see these numbers drop. 39, 38, 37. Now this 36. This battery is not under any load at this point, so it's not holding charge. So we know that this battery is faulty. And it dropped back down to only 9 volts. Which isn't too bad really. So I don't think that the starter has got too much of a pull on it neither. So at this point you could argue that it's got a faulty diode, but I'm going to say this battery needs to be replaced. It's about 10 years old. But anyway, if you found that useful and you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell so you get all my updates and everything like that. Cheers guys, and enjoy yourself. Bye.